If you're on the hunt for the perfect work-from-home opportunity, you're in the right place. Join us as we explore the world of remote work and discover how it can transform your career and lifestyle. Let's dive in. First up, we have virtual assistants. No experience? No problem. Virtual assistants provide administrative support, manage schedules, and handle tasks such as email correspondence and customer service for businesses and entrepreneurs. All you need is excellent organization skills and a willingness to learn. Next, content creation opens up endless possibilities. Whether you're passionate about writing, photography, or video editing, platforms like blogging, YouTube, and social media offer opportunities to showcase your creativity. With dedication and consistency, you can build a successful career as a content creator, even without prior experience. Interested in education? Online tutoring might be the perfect fit for you. As an online tutor, you can provide personalized instruction and support to students worldwide. Whether you excel in maths, science, or languages, there's a demand for tutors in various subjects. Plus, many platforms offer training and resources to help get you started. Customer service is another excellent entry-level remote job. Companies are always looking for friendly and reliable individuals to assist customers via phone, chat, or email. With excellent communication skills and a positive attitude, you can excel in this role, even with no prior experience in customer service. And remember, if you need help crafting the perfect CV to land that remote job, check out our CV templates and writing guides. They are tailored to highlight your strengths and set you apart from the competition. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Don't let lack of experience hold you back from pursuing remote opportunities. With dedication, a willingness to learn, and a positive attitude, you can launch a successful career from anywhere in the world. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on remote employment. Thanks for watching and happy job hunting.